Hi everybody, it's the 4th of July, and what a better way to celebrate than by unlocking my lock. This is a master lock. I think I might have it in the wrong way, hang on. And it opens. Now I'm gonna lock it back, just push it in, turn the key, and pull it out, and now it's locked. Doing this one-handed. And that was a little padlock demo, and it's a master lock. And turn on the preheat fluorescent light. Here we go. That was awesome. The reason we did this is it's Independence Day. Let's turn on the light because I'm using red, white, and blue. That was awesome. That's it.